everyone, I'm Ira and I'm a musculoskeletal physiotherapist. Today we are very much aware about the fitness, daily exercises, and we go to a physiotherapist, we go for the yoga classes as well as we join a gymnasium. We are very much aware about the toning of the muscles, the strengthening of the muscles. So today I will teach you the toning of the face. Face is a very important aspect of our body, so we should very much take care about it. So firstly, I'll tell you few principles of the facial exercises. It is based on 3 principles. The first principle is finding out the right muscles. The dominant muscles of the face. They will be very hard to find out initially, but with the practice you will be able to do so. Even the small muscles are not very easily palpable, but with daily exercises and with the routine work you will be able to do the right one. The second one is relaxation. You have to relax your facial muscle before as well as after doing this exercise. And the third one is resistance. You have to resist the muscle with your fingers. You don't need a dumbbell or a kettlebell for resisting your muscle. You just have to place your fingers on the face for resisting your muscle. We'll do it so by demonstrating the exercise. So let's start the exercise. Before exercise, just relax your facial muscles. Now I will start the first exercise. This is for your frown lines. You have to frown your eyebrows up. You can see it like this, and you can apply a gel before starting the exercise. Now place your 3 fingers on your forehead just above your eyebrows. Now try to frown your eyebrows up and try to resist these. You can see the horizontal wrinkles over your forehead. You have to resist those. Put your 3 fingers, try to push it down, and with your eyebrow you have to pull it up. Continue it for 5 seconds, or you can count till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then relax. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. You can do this exercise for 5 to 6 times accordingly. Now the exercise number 2. It is for your crow's eyes. Now what is the crow eye first? When you laugh, you can see that there are few wrinkles or the horizontal small lines just near your eye. You can see it? Now what you have to do it? You have to place your 3 fingers horizontally over these crow lines. Try to laugh so that they are formed. Now place your finger over these crow lines horizontally. Now try to contract the muscle. You have to make your laugh. Hold it for few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then relax. Again do it for 5 to 6 times accordingly. Exercise number 3. It is for the brow lines. What are the muscles mainly used in this are the central part of this forehead. What you have to do is place the 2 middle as well as your index finger over your central part of the forehead. Now try to push it up, and you have to resist it down with the 2 fingers down. Push it up and pull it down. Control it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Again do it for 5 to 6 times. Exercise number 3. This is for your laughter lines. For this, what you have to do is divide this exercise in 3 parts. The first part is you have to move your upper lip as well as your lower outer part of your lip like this, as if laughing. Now while doing this you have to gasp in the air with your mouth as well as your neck muscles relaxed like this. Chew inside the air on both the cheeks. Then in the third step you have to move the air out. Now I'll demonstrate it. This way you can do it. Exercise number 5. This is for your front neck muscles. You have to place your hand like this, 1, 4 fingers here and your thumb on the either ways. Now what you have to do is you have to pull your chin up like this towards the ceiling, and you have to protrude your lower jaw forward. While doing this from down to up, you will do it like this, protruding the chin and moving up. After this, you have to move either ways as I'm doing it. You can see it. And then relax. Exercise number 6. You'll be very happy for this exercise. It is for your double chin. It is a very common problem nowadays. So what you have to do is you have to move your neck up as much as you can. Your shoulders tensed, and you have to keep your tongue moving towards your throat inside, keeping your mouth closed. I'm keeping my mouth closed now. I'm moving my tongue inside now. Just see how I'll do it. Hold it for 5 count and then I'll come down and relax it. I hope you all are very well understand about the exercises and you'll be very happy to do it. Now I would like to share few things. It is that these exercises are just for your rejuvenation and toning of the muscles. It is just the plus point that it will beautify your facial muscles. It doesn't require anything. Initially you can start it in front of a mirror so that you can find out that you're doing it properly and the right muscles are being used. With the proper exercises protocol, after few days you'll be very easily doing it.